Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Find and Replace tool in Figma, a super handy feature that can save you tons of time, especially if you're working on larger design projects and need to quickly update text across your whole file. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to efficiently search for any word or phrase in your design and seamlessly replace it with a new one. Whether you made a typo on multiple screens or you just want to update some branding terms, this is the tool for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your Figma project open and ready to go. The quickest way to open the Find and Replace window in Figma is to press Ctrl and F on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, you'll want to use Command and F. It's the same shortcut you use on a lot of other programs like Word or your internet browser, so it should feel pretty familiar. This shortcut brings up the tiny Find bar at the top right of your Figma workspace. Now, let's say you're looking to find every instance of the word beautiful somewhere in your designs. Maybe you used it in multiple headings, buttons, or perhaps in some text placeholders, and you now need to swap it out for something different. Simply type the word beautiful into that Find bar. Figma will immediately highlight every spot in your design where that word appears, making it super easy to scan through and see what's been found. This is especially helpful if you're working with a group and want to make sure you haven't missed anything. Here's a helpful detail. As you start typing, Figma doesn't just look through the visible page, it actually searches through all of your pages and frames, which is a real lifesaver for those massive projects with dozens of artboards. So don't worry if you don't see beautiful right on your current screen. Figma's got you covered. Once you see the search results, there's a little gear icon or settings button next to the Find bar. Click this to open up the Replace option. This is where the magic happens. Under Replace, go ahead and type in the new word you want to use instead. So let's say we want to swap out beautiful with awesome. Type awesome in the Replace field. At this point, you've got two choices. If you want to be really careful or just need to change a couple of instances, you can click the Replace button one at a time. This way, you get to see and approve each change individually, which is reassuring if you're not totally sure where all the words are, or if you only want to swap out a few but not every single one. Alternatively, if you're confident and want to save time, you can hit Replace All. In one click, Figma will go through and update every instance of beautiful to awesome throughout your whole design. It's super fast, but just double check first in case there's a spot where you didn't want that change. Mistakes happen and that's totally okay. You can always undo if you miss something, and that's really all there is to it. Once you're done, your designs will be instantly updated. Find and Replace in Figma is great for everything from fixing spelling mistakes across multiple frames, updating button labels, or refreshing outdated terminology in a rebrand. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button, and if you have any questions or run into any snags, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical Figma tutorials just like this. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.